Hey guys, welcome. I just wanted to make a short video explaining the name change of my channel and as to why I'm not putting videos up for quite a while. One of the reasons, it wasn't the biggest, as most know or some know, in early March of this year my father unexpectedly passed away. So that did put quite a bit of burden and took quite a bit of my free time away trying to finalize everything and all of that, because he also died while on vacation out of state, and that was a big ordeal trying to even just get his body back to home. So it took quite a while and a lot of stuff. So that was one of the biggest reasons why I didn't do anything for a couple months there. And then shortly after my father passed away, we ended up moving locations because our old place, we loved it and everything, but it was just really too big. We never used half the space, and so we downsized, and we did downsize quite a bit. So that did force me to get rid of quite a bit of my crafting supplies. So my channel is no longer going to be strictly crafts. It's also going to be reviewing some products, mainly some how-tos and tips on some things, really cool, like little, and some of those can be crafting things too, but also to products that I really like. I've gotten back into photography. I've always been a big fan of photography. I have a really nice expensive pro camera that I've used. I used to do portraits, family portraits, and senior photos, and so I'm trying to get back into that. But one really cool thing recently I've gotten back into was the old vintage Polaroid and the instant film. It's really cool. So I'm going to be doing some videos on that kind of stuff. But that's the reason why the name changed for the channel, because it wasn't just strictly crafts. Now, still to find my channel, you do still have to type in youtube.com /Daniel's Crafts, because it wouldn't let me change that. But just the logo and the name did change the channel. Also too, I've just been very busy with my job, and I do work a full-time job in healthcare, so that's another thing. It takes away some time. And now that we've downsized, every time I want to do a video, I have to reset up the whole thing, everything, the cameras, the microphone, the table, and everything I'm going to do it on. So that takes quite a bit of time too. And as any YouTube creator out there knows, also too, video editing is a big time constraint too on your time, because it takes a lot to edit videos. A lot more than I ever realized until I started doing it. And that's probably how most people are. They don't understand how much goes into it till you actually have to do it. So I just want to give you a short update of where I've been, what's been going on, and then I'm trying to bring back videos to my channel, and I'll be putting more up. It won't be as probably as frequent as it used to be. There for a while I was doing one about every 3 days to a week. That won't be happening like that, but I'll try to do one every 2 weeks to at the very longest a month is what I'm trying to shoot for. No more than a month, but trying to shoot for every 2 weeks. So we'll see how that goes. And sometimes too, you just run out of things to do and ideas. At least I do. I'm sure other people might have that same problem. I don't know, but I know there's sometimes that I truly just don't have anything to do. So, but I really do appreciate you guys sticking around. Please still share my channel, like my videos. Liking them, another thing I never understood until starting to make YouTube videos, that like button does help helps YouTube to understand people really like that video, and they'll actually bring up in suggestions more. And the more you share it and everything like that, just really makes a huge difference. And also too, don't forget to click on the little bell next to the subscribe button, because that does give you notification for every video if you want that, if you want to know that. But I really do like it when you guys subscribe. That really helps, and it's nothing to do with money with me, because I, one, don't really need that, but two, I'm not a big enough channel to really make any kind of money. But I just do this because I really like helping people and bringing things to you guys that you guys might never have seen before or done before, something like that. Because I use YouTube a lot. Anytime right before I buy a product, I will always search on YouTube to see an unboxing. Unboxings are one of my favorite things to watch. So I'm going to try to start doing some more of those videos on products that I like. Especially products just like one with one of the Polaroid cameras I bought. There really wasn't, there's a couple, but not that many unboxing videos of it. So I'm going to be doing that soon. So just wanted you guys to give you guys a little update, and I really appreciate you guys, and I hope you guys stick around. See you guys in future videos.